alright, Callum, you can walk. Eh? It's alright. Why? No, you didn't know. I should have told you I was going to start filming, shouldn't I? I'll wait till you finish.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a look with this palette. So if you want to see how I created this, then please keep on watching. So I have gone and put my tape on my eyes, and as you saw earlier, we are going to go in with the Lady Bro With Me Obsidian eyeshadow palette. And this is what she looks like on the outside. I love the packaging. On the back here, you've got all of the colours that you get. You get a mirror with this one. And I got this one from eBay. So there's all of your colours. I've had a little dip in and try of these. So we are going to be using this part here, which is Aries. This section here. And first I'm going to go in with this kind of lovely colour here. So we're going with that. And I'm still using my brushes that I got from eBay as well. So they're actually working pretty good for me at the moment. I'm rather enjoying, oh, there's quite a bit of kickback, but I suppose that's only to be expected from a more affordable palette. So I'm just going to go over the edge and around the crease just to seal everything. I'm not going to go over the whole of the eyelid because I want some shimmer on there. So I'm literally, this is just a neutral eye look that you can add any kind of sort of colour to underneath or within the waterline if you want to. So I'm just going to show you how to do. You could use this as an everyday kind of look if you wanted to. So I'm just going to pop that on. So a funny thing happened to me today. I sent in a text to a radio station, Radio 5 Live, and they phoned me back and asked me to go on. So I've been on the radio this morning on national radio. It does go out across the world, but anyway, so that was a little bit interesting. It was about face masks and working in retail, so that's very interesting. If you watch my vlog next week even, you'll be able to hear it, or part of it anyway. So I've gone in with that, and then next I'm going to go in with the dark brown. So just going to go in with that, and we're just going to create a little bit of some depth into this eye look. It's literally, this is going to be like the simplest eye look ever. And as I say, these brushes are they're really fluffy, really good fluffy brush. I don't actually think I linked them before, so I will do it this time. And I shall link the palette as well. And I'm going to go back into my other video and link all the things I said I did, because I'm aware that I actually didn't link it. So as you can see there now, we're just kind of building that up and blending it out just to create a nice neutral base. We do not want to be going heavy with this. We really don't. Until we get to the shimmer, people. Until we get to the shimmer. Yeah, I mean, look, it's not, I mean, they're not too bad. Not too bad. So I'm going to pop that on just where I didn't put the matte. And I have actually gone in with a concealer, and the concealer that I went in with, now I can't remember, it's, oh gosh, is it Barry M? I think it might be a Barry M. I really can't remember, but it is one milk, and it's one that Mama Mitchell uses just as a base, just as a little key to kind of grab onto everything. So as you can see there, we've got quite a nice little bit of shimmer. So is that all I'm going to do? Yeah, for now that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to go over and do the other eye, and then we will be back once I have done my eyeliner and everything, and then we'll go on to the underneath and I can show you how to add a pop of colour. Okay, so this is just a normal plain everyday kind of look. You can go underneath if you want to, which I think I probably will, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my pop of colour into the waterline. Now I'm going to use an eye safe liquid eyeliner. I'm going to take a little angle brush, just rub what I've got on there off, and I'm going to go in with the dark brown. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the dark brown that we used, and I'm literally just going to carry on from there, and I'm just going to go around underneath with that, so you can kind of follow the eyeliner all the way around. So I'm just going to do that. Do the same again on the other side. So see, it just kind of sits up. That's why I put the tape where I do, so then it kind of everything just goes up into that point there. So the other day I did my wing, and it was like, I felt like it was right up here in my face. Oh dear. So I'm just going to literally smoke that out a little bit. We'll smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Like so. So then that would be just a nice normal everyday look. But today I'm going to do a liquid line. So I'm going to take this brush from the set. And I'm hoping this is going to work. And I'm literally just going to paint the colour on here. Now I know you can get different coloured eyeliners. I just haven't got one yet, so I'm on the hunt for some really good kind of eyeliners, liquid eyeliners that you can use within the waterline. So hopefully I will be able to get this. And I'm just literally popping that into my waterline, and as you can see, it makes a real difference. So go to the other side. Just a little bit more on there, but as you can see, it just adds a little bit of kind of dimension to the eye look. I'll just show you that there. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara and a lip, and I will be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. The lipstick that I used is a Marc Jacobs. This is a tiny little Marc Jacobs, and I got this. It's Slow Burn, and I got this a couple of years ago when I went to Sephora, and I actually went in and bought like a pack of like loads of miniatures. There was all sorts. There was a Too Faced. There's this one here which is called Bite. I had an Urban Decay one, which is in my toolbox downstairs. But anyway, so this is just what I wanted to show you, that you could actually just do a neutral, normal, everyday kind of look if you wanted to, but just add a pop of colour. So, I mean, I know I haven't got any pink in this shirt, but as I say, I haven't got an orange or even a blue. If you wanted to, you don't have to do it in the waterline. I think in a few weeks' time, I'll do some with just some different colours. You could just pop it in if it's a liquid, if it's eye safe. I think NYX is, I have got it in orange, but I don't think you can put this one in your eye. The liquid suede, I don't think you put this one in your eye, but you can use it as eyeliner. So I would use it underneath, just on the kind of on the waterline, just underneath the waterline even. So you can still do it. If you don't want to put it into your eye, you can do it that way and do it underneath. So smoke out your eye and then pop that on top. And I think that'd give a really, really nice sort of like pop of colour to a neutral look. So you could pick out a look from your colour, from your look that you're actually wearing, and then just pop that into the eye. So then you've got a cohesive look throughout. So I hope that was very helpful for you. And as I say, this is the palette that I got from eBay. I love the fact that it's got this like mandala on there. I'll just give you one last look. It's called the Lady Bro With Me, and it's obsidian, and I'll hold it up this way just so you don't get the mirror. But this teal green, in fact, if I show you, I mean, it's really dark, but I cannot wait to try this out. Look at that. Isn't that just a fantastic tealy green, sort of dark and mysterious? And then you've got obviously the shimmer with that as well, which is really nice. So I want to kind of do a look with that, and then we've got like so you've got kind of got like your winter, autumn and kind of spring there. I just love all of these colours together, and I love the fact that they're sort of placed together, so you can use them individually or you could mix and match them together as well. So I just love the packaging of this as well. So you've got that, and then you've got the actual sleeve, which then gives you all of the information. Oh, come on. all of the information on the back here, so you've got all of your colours on there, and basically it's a fantastic little palette. It's not expensive, and if you want to have a play around with makeup and you don't want to spend too much money, I think these are the way to go, to be honest, because they're just a really great kind of fun way of having a play about. And I don't mind using these sort of makeup palettes for work and things like that. So this is the palette. This is the look. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed already, please do subscribe. If you are subscribed, please hit that notification bell so then you know when I upload my vlog, my Thursday video, which could be a fashion video, and usually my Friday video, or whenever I want to do a bonus video, like a makeup look or something like that. And then you will know that I have done it. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming. And I cannot wait to see if you've got this palette. Let me know below, and let me see some of your looks. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I usually post every day, usually. Yeah, just have fun, have a great day, and I will see you next time for another makeup look, or even a makeup haul. I'll see you soon.